Do you want to learn how to make money online by trading Forex? Let me show it to you. These are my trades for today. All pound pairs. This is pound yen. Look at my entry. My entry showing here, sell entry, and all the way down to 120 pips. That is $1,200 if you trade one standard lot in one day. Next trade, pound USD, sell. The entry is here. You can see the entry on the left hand side, entry and my SL move to break even. Here, this is pound Newsy. Look at that. The entry was on Monday at this level, 96.03, all the way down 200, more than 200 pips. Okay, in 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Trade is closed already. Entry is here, right there. Right. Next, pound Aussie, 20-minute chart on October 8th. Entry is at the level 82.91. Entry is right there, and all the way down to 120 pips. This is all happening on October 8th, today, 2019. Pound yen, again another entry for 75 pip in the middle from the other account. Then pound CAD, all pound pairs you'll see, it's 110 pip, beautiful entry here all the way to 60 to 68. Trade closed. These are more than 500 pip trades in one day. Okay, this is trading Forex. So this is what I teach in my webinars, live webinars I do. I have this is my website here. Okay, I have a YouTube account, with almost like 1380 videos. I have a private video list for my subscribers, whoever join, and also I have a Facebook page. I have a website I just showed you. So yeah, this is how you trade Forex for more than 400 500 pip in a week is not a problem if you learn how to do it. The market moves in a specific way in a specific time. So once you learn how the market moves, when the market moves, and how to make entry using a proper system like mine, Magic IB system, then only then you can win this market. And once you start winning, you're winning big. 110 pip, that's $1,100 with one standard lot. With even one mini lot is $110. So even if you're making 200 pip with one mini lot, that's 200 pip with one standard lot is $2,000 a day, and you can increase your lot size. Once you learn the system, you can pull the pips out of the market. You can simply increase your lot size to make a lot of money. So yes, if you want to learn this system, go on my website here and subscribe and be a part of it. It will take you less than a day to set up the charts, get the system, set up the charts. I'll help you. If you don't understand, I'll get on Skype and teach you myself how to set up the charts. It takes a couple of hours and you will be done. And then you watch my previous recordings and you learn a lot of things from there, the whole market, the whole lanyard. I have, like I said, the previous recordings only for of my webinars only for subscribers. They are not available on YouTube for everybody else. So once you subscribe, you will get the access to all those recordings, and you will be attending my live webinars Wednesday and Thursday every week, 4 p.m. Eastern time. And if you missed the webinar, I record those webinars and then send out the recording within 2 hours of each webinar. Okay, so this is how it is. If you wish, if you like to learn, come on my website and subscribe and be a part of my group. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.